everyone, it is time for our latest and greatest Tara's must-have. What's a must-have? Well, it's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty and practical and purposeful. And this one, I keep saying it, but it's so stinking cute. It's a counter saver. What's a counter saver? I'm glad you asked. Check it out. So not only does it sit up off your counter, you're able to slide things underneath. It protects your countertops, your tabletops. The best part is this beautiful tempered glass cutting board, serving board, presentation board, about 12 by 20 inches, just so you know, sits right inside that beautiful wrought iron base. Take a peek at the base right here. I'm so excited, I can barely speak. This frame actually sits up, so you can actually use this on your stovetop if you wanted to, not while it's on, but again, it just creates a lot of space inside and around the home. So here, of course, we have your Buffetti. Buffetti has all of our Esmeralda, we have Little Mummy, Little Frankie, our ghost. Absolutely stinking cute. This is amazing. And then follow me over here because we also have our beautiful harvest. So if you love those burnt oranges and the beautiful sweet greens, it's almost like a sunset, a harvest sunset in all of these beautiful leaves, in the acorns, all the detail. Again, remember this pops out. You can hand wash these. You can put hot bakers on here if you wanted to. You can put utensils on here if you want to. Everything sits right down inside that wrought iron base. It is fantastic. So choice of Buffetti, choice of harvest. It's our counter saver. It's our Tara's must-have. And where can you find it? Head on over to temp-tations.com and check it out.